Hi. In English, some letters can have different sounds. Let's learn the other common sounds of the letter I.
I, I, I,
Blending sounds.
I, I, I,
Child. Find. Kind. Mind. Item. Blind. Wild. Pint. Behind. Pilot. Tidy. Silent. Finally. Primary. Remind. Practice.
I, I, I,
I. Kind. 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 Child. 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 I am a kind child. I am a kind child. Find. 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 Item. 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 Behind. 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 You will find the item behind the table. You will find the item behind the table. Good job.
Bye!